This is a 2021 Ram 1500. It's the Rebel package, four-wheel drive. We're going to put some nice 5-inch tips on there, take the factory 4-inch off, leave the resonators, and then we're going to replace the factory muffler with a nice single chamber V2 muffler, but leave it all stock up front. And we'll get back to you to see what it sounds like. Okay, as you can see, we've got the 5-inch exhaust tips on there. Fill up the bumper cutouts. Looks really clean on both sides. We've got the single chamber V tube on there, and like I said, kept it all stock up front. Let's see what it sounds like.